So this will be a second video on measurements. Here I have written everything again. So this is the trick word KHD, S, DCM, and these are the units, the short forms of units. Next, these are the place values. Okay, as I already told you, the biggest unit is kilometer and the smallest is millimeter in length. From kilometer to hectometer into 10, hectometer to decameter into 10, decameter to meter, that is the standard unit, again 10, meter to decimeter 10, decimeter to centimeter into 10, and centimeter to millimeter again into 10. That is, when we move from biggest unit to the smallest unit towards our right side, we will multiply it with 10. And when we move from smallest unit towards the biggest unit, towards our left side, then we will divide it with 10. Okay? And in this chapter, we will be learning mostly about these 4 units only. That is kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Kilometer is the biggest unit and millimeter is the smallest unit. And this meter is the standard unit and centimeter is the one which we usually use in our scale. You all know the measurement is how to take the measurement. From this point, from 1 to 2, this is 1 centimeter. Again 2 to 3, it is another 1 centimeter. And these small lines which we can see in between this 1 and 2 are the smallest unit, which is millimeter. Okay, so this will be the centimeter, and the smallest units which we can see between these numbers are millimeters. Okay. So, as I told you that we will be learning about these 4 units, that is kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, so first one is kilometer. When we move from kilometer, which is the biggest unit, to meter, okay, kilometer to meter, which is the standard unit, we will be multiplying it with 1000. How can I say it as 1000? Come on, see here. This is the kilometer here and meter is here. Okay. So kilometer to meter, you just calculate how many tens we are multiplying. So from kilometer to hectometer, it comes 110. Okay. Then again from hecto to deca, another 10. Okay. Again from deca to meter, another 10. So when we multiply all this, we get the value as 1000. Okay. So simply we will multiply with 1000 when we convert from kilometer to meter. Okay. So kilometer to meter, it becomes into 1000. Okay. Then from meter to centimeter. So meter is here. Okay. And centimeter is here. So from meter to decimeter, we have 1/10. Okay. Again from decimeter to centimeter, we have another 10. Okay. So 10 into 10 is 100. So from meter to centimeter, we will multiply it with 100. Hope I am clear, right? Then from centimeter to millimeter, that is centimeter to millimeter, we have 10 units. So we will multiply it with 10. Clear? That is, we are moving from right side to the, we are moving towards the right side. So we are multiplying it. Okay. So similarly, when we move from the smallest unit to the biggest unit, that is when we move towards the left side, we will divide it. Okay. So again, from millimeter to centimeter, we will divide it with 10. Yes. Then again from centimeter to meter, we have 2 tens in between. Okay. From here to here 110 and again here to here another 10. So 10 is 100. So we will divide it with 100. Similarly, from meter to kilometer, we have 3 tens in between, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. So we will divide it with 1000. Right? Clear? Yes. So, based on all these basics only, we will be moving into the exercise sums. Okay, so our first question is convert into millimeter. Okay, so we are going to convert it into this millimeter, which is the smallest unit, and the question is given in centimeter. So from centimeter to millimeter, what is the distance? What is the difference? It is into 10, isn't it? Centimeter to millimeter. We are coming from biggest to smallest unit, that is centimeter to millimeter, right? So 90 centimeter is equal to 90 into 10. Why is this 10? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, right? So we are multiplying it with 10. Clear? So 90 into 10 becomes 900 millimeter. That's all. Clear? Similarly, the next sum given is 5 centimeter 8 millimeter. Here they have given in centimeter and the other question given is in millimeter. And we need to convert this also into millimeter. Okay. So what will we do? We shall first write down the question as it is. 5 centimeter 8 millimeter is equal to. So here we have to convert this into millimeter, isn't it? So here we know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So what will we do? We will first multiply it with 10. So 5 into 10, and this one is already in millimeter. So we are not going to convert it. We will just add it. Okay. So 5 into 10 is 50 plus 8. So it becomes 58 millimeter. Clear? Then our third sum is 5 meter and 9 millimeter. Here we have got meter. Okay, that is this unit, meter to millimeter. So from meter we have to convert it to millimeter. So how many do we have? Meter to centimeter we have 100. Again centimeter to millimeter we have 10. So what will we do? From meter to millimeter we will convert it with into 100 into 10. So that becomes 1000. Clear? So we will multiply this meter, 5 meter into 1000 so that it changes into millimeter. Okay. So 5 meter 9 millimeter is equal to 5 into 1000 plus 9, because this is already in millimeter, isn't it? So we are not going to convert it. We will just add that one. So it becomes 5000 plus 9. So the answer is 5009 millimeter. So we have converted these sums from centimeter into millimeter and from meter into millimeter. So we should know these values very well and thoroughly so that it will be easy for us to convert. Okay. So in my next video, I will explain you the next part.